such a thing.
Ei, no!
5 seconds remaining.
Wow, ku dīvaini.
Nu?
Es gribu, ar distributoro to daru, ko tu teici, un man izrādamo nīksu, un man izrādamo nīksu, un man distributora vietā parādās nīks. Matthew, can you play troll?
I can play troll.
Yeah, Matthew, you can choose Nyx or Trank, it's whatever you want. Because I can play Nyx, I'm just asking, you can't play Nyx, because last time when you was Nyx.
It's pretty disastrous, but I can play Troll Warlords, yes. Treant, I'm not really a great Treant.
Okay, just keep it trying.
Then you two can switch then, I guess.
Oh wait, Matthew, do you want Nyx?
Wait.
Nyx?
Viņš ir spēlējis, he has played.
Labi, es spēlēju.
Whatever, everyone play what you want. It's a free world after all.
Ooh.
On to the next group.
If you want jockey. Actually, I want jockey.
Sorry.
Come on. Wake, Jakira. No, he didn't swap. God damn it.
Now
begins.
He was AFK, I guess.
the time has come.
So, I'm middle? What the hell?
Ui.
Pret sniperi.
Troll, do you want to go mid? Maybe you need to go mid. Troll,
Matthew,
because you are range. Matthew, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I won't do anything versus sniper. You
And
maybe
Matthew,
will
be careful.
do. Yeah.
Just
Take last hits when you need to. Don't stand near him.
yeah.
Yeah, because he's gonna
Tas
harass
ir
you.
ko viņi dara. Viņam jau arī izskatās. Es vēl mēs varam viņus likt. Ej, pagaid, man ir stans. Ejam uz, ja tas nāk.
Troll Warlords got great
Nāk
movements
te.
to begin with, actually.
Jā, viņam arī stāni ir vajag stāni. Ej, nu come on! Nu te krīpi, nu, viņi ir tādi lauhi, nu. Come on! Tā bloķē.
Math.
Yeah, creeps blocking like idiots.
You.
Yeah. God damn it.
Missing bottom.
Vismaz tas neskaitījās kā FB viņiem. Tas vēl.
Jā?
Jā. Nu, nebija, nu, jo bija sisa, ko bija. Jo krīpi dabūja. Krīpi jānosina.
Creepers, no.
Enemy creeps is bad. Šito, lai to man stano, lai viņš pats nostanos. Jo to jau var redzēt, ja viņš nāk un stano. Grib.
Yes. I'm
Keep
sure
it
you
blue.
understand.
Sorry. Sorry.
Matthew, I healed you.
Missing
It's normal.
bottom.
Thank you so much.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
It's normal. No.
Mai, tu gribēji nodanējot to krīpu.
Nebija viņš lamājas krievis, ka viņš ļoti labi.
Līna. Nē.
Oh my god. Kā sukas ap viņiem abiem. Pagaid, es nosnošu.
Ej, man viss kārtībā būs,
Jā. Kā viņi netrāpīja uz stānu?
Ko viņi tagad ēdīs kokus nost, vai? Maitas tādi.
Es šodien neesmu izspēlējis ar vienu došu. Es negribēju kaut kā vieram spēlēt. Andris, tik pa laikam spēlē, bet...
I believe I will.
Watch out! Sniper
Spēlēju
is...
Euro Truck Simulator, jā.
Okay, sniper's back. Sniper's...
Oh, Dievs, kā tā Linda grib dabūt.
Jā. Nē, neskaidroju tik.
In good time.
Ah, jā.
Who is having problems? Tas ir Metī?
Oh, very
Matthew?
No, no.
Nē, tas ir Andris. Tā sieviete ir atpakaļ.
eventually. Sorry, friend. On
But sniper's got double damage.
Be careful. Get back then.
Get back. Get back.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice.
Es neiešu mājās, man 2 tangoji.
Es jau sakīlošu.
Oh, kur?
Man mana nebija.
Sniper's missing again. I don't know where he's went.
That's normal, man.
Uz manas būtu pēdējā, jā?
Matthew.
Tu uz manas būtiemei?
Jā.
Stop acting like a cat.
Matthew, I will take career too, and now take it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Matthew, take career. Okay,
Whatever. Too late for
he's
that.
coming. Yeah, he's coming for me.
Matthew was too slow.
No, take career.
now.
Lena is missing.
Matthew, take career. Matthew.
We command you to take the career.
Es iedošu tango. Apēd. Varēs sakīlot kaut kā tālāk.
Toweri. Mid tower sakīlosim.
Stūm! Starters nostanos, Nīna nostanos.
Elders
uzliks
nostanos.
slīpu.
Nē, vienkārši Elders var pirmais uzlikt, tad viss stunlock.
Jā, viņš strāpa. Ja
Sneaker.
es uzlieku 3.
Viņš saņēmis damage un pats nostanosies. Bet tu arī nostanosies.
Pagaid, viņš saņem tik damage, cik es saņem no viņa.
Jā, viens pret viens. Ja tu uzliec to pret Līnas ultimātu, viņa saņem pilnu damage.
Pēc tas ir pure.
Tikai ja ir Agnims.
Disappears as blue.
Nē, nē, jau Līnas pirmā.
Nu jā, tas bija.
Hello, Matthew, where are you going? Come back.
Matthew!
Get back.
Matthew!
Matthew.
Oh no.
Matthew.
No, be careful.
Your middle tower is under attack.
No.
Matthew!
Matthew.
Nu, labi.
Jā.
Stans bija perfekts.
Un snipers arī te ir labi.
Sneakers.
Snipers.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Sorry.
Es jums tev būs mana būtu, tad varēšu slēgt healot fightot. Top toweri vēl nehīlo, to pēc tam sakīlos vai, kad būs pāsē vai kur. Bottom nepušo, jo tur ir viens aircheckers un midu arī. Jā, midu vajadzētu būt sakīt. Bet tā patam. Jo tas ir tīri OP, mēs nesaņemam sitienus.
Ir man.
Tu vēl neesi izmantojis, tad es izmantošu.
Jā.
Tad tu būs manis izmantojuši. Nāk metīs. Nu jā, pareiz šis nav Lion stans. Oh, what a stun from
Sorry, I don't have my axes equipped. That's awful.
Okay,
Matthew, Au. Tāpēc, man ir nedaudz nav tikai.
Oh, mana būtu.
Jā.
Don't do that. It was my mom.
Matthew!
Your
What?
middle tower is under attack.
Nothing. Matthew, why aren't you middle lane?
Matthew, yeah.
Why? Sorry.
Matthew,
Yeah.
go away.
Yeah.
But okay, you need to go mid, please.
Jeez.
Es esmu, kāpēc mums te ir trailēns jāipo?
Vai ne? Viņi Ēdspirti atstāja vienu pret Džakiru botlā. Kāpēc Ēdspiram tik ātri vajadzētu ultimāt?
Varbūt tas ir pro Ēdspirts vienkārši un grib.
Nu tā jau Ēdspirts. Viņam ulti tīri labs.
Izmet stun, ja ir iespēja, man būs mana
Vai?
būs.
Es nepaspēju uzlikt trešo.
Paspēj tagad.
Jā. Iedod, es tur nevaru iet.
Es kārtībā.
Sorry for activating that, sorry.
Ko viņi tagad dara?
Iet virsū.
Matthew, you activated battle trance. Too early.
Idioti. Nē, viņi idioti.
Jā, Saki. Paveicās, ka Celders nebija gudrs un neuzņēma savu damage. Mana būtu. Pagaid, es izmetuši tā.
Nē. Aktīvs stān.
Mana būtu.
Es domāju, ka Džakiroju pretiniekos. Nu,
Sniper is missing. Oh, sniper's not missing.
Nē. Ej, tu ieskrieties. Ej, tu tur dars. Nē, viņš man iedod. Oh my god. Ej, Ēdspirts. God damn it.
oh my god, these combos.
Es tev ieliku invizabinē nostrādāju.
Bet es tik domāju. Nē, pagaid, sapiedīšu lūdzu, mēģināšu.
Fight, Matthew, fight! I'm healing you.
Thank you.
Dievs, tur.
Your middle tower is
I
under
survived.
Middle tower, take it off your Christmas card list. It's gone.
Būs. Viņam. Nē, krīt, nošiet. Jā, nē. Andri.
Bet tas bija tik labs līnija, jau teleportēs prom, es visu muku stānu izlieku.
Jauns mid towers mums.
Tiesa tā.
You.
Uh-oh.
You. Matthew. Get back.
Es vienkārši no bāzes healoju visu laiku metīju. Matthew, turn to ranged. Maybe. Ah, damn it.
That's okay.
Mana būtu visu laiku. 3 varoņiem mana būtu. Es arī gribu. Nāciet šurp. Mana boots for everyone. Lol, tas stans. Kas viņš vezjāja snaiperu nost nodoj? Denied.
Denied.
Matthew,
What?
you activated it in base. Why?
I don't know.
I don't know. Oh no.
Better to activate it. Not. Well, I don't know if it's better to. Okay, maybe it is better to activate it in a battle game. Oh, by the way, oh, Sniper's not missing. Sniper's dead.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Matthew, I'm bringing a lot of people to you. Sorry.
Sorry, I had to laugh.
No, no, Matthew, no, 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 there's a whole team. Jesus, kan du knock you? What is? Why is there a creep wave there? What the hell? Es tu gaidi man būtu, es atkal gaidu savu item. Point booster. Lai nebūtu vārdi jāpērk, es gribu aganīm.
I have not enough health.
Then go home, jeez.
Mēs tā esam ļoti smagi pierāvuši, mums sākumā nekā tagad tas nav.
Missing.
They're all missing, be careful, except for Sniper.
I'm missing
Matthew, can you please stop cursing?
I don't mean to do it, it's just.
I don't mean to do it, I just do it.
Oh. Is that a virus that someone sent to me?
What?
A virus.
Why?
It's a big red X.
I don't know what you're talking about, sorry.
Oh, well, not big red X, it's a small red X. Maybe it's not, I don't know.
Yeah.
That's not.
No.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
It's normal.
Jā, viens, es sahiloju nepareizo. Es domāju, ka tev tur būs sūdi, jo tev tur bija invis sūds.
Under attack.
O, Dievs, viņš izmanto ultus, to reāli. Go, Matthew! Go, Matthew! Kill Matthew! Kill them all!
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Oh, Matthew, that was a... Oh, no.
You've done very good though.
Yeah. Matthew was a good boy. What was that?
Matthew? Is there something which perhaps we want to share?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Maybe something
Secret?
secret and not talked about? And
What does that? Look this.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Oh man, this is totally hurting my mellow.
A lot of stunts. Nah.
it's normal. The tower.
Удобнее всего для вкручивания самореза использовать самопонёс и длинный диск. На оба колеса у нас ушло 10 тысяч саморезов.
Nē, viņš uzliek... Ah. Es varēju viņu izlēt, bet ne, viņam uzliek ultimātu.
Oh no.
Того, как все
Tev
саморезы
karapus nebija? Tā, ka viņš šāva ultimātu.
протерли ткань.
Oh no. Oh.
He failed.
Please.
Not Buddhist, but Earth Spirit failed.
I know. I just thought it was really close though.
Yeah. Lol.
Стандарт. И удаляем. И него можно сделать резиновую шайбу, навесить камеры, чтобы показывать место на
Excuse me, sir, but it's
чтобы
your top
потом
tower.
всё
It says it's been destroyed.
Does it also hasten creeps, that trance?
What trends?
Battle trance, does it hasten creeps?
No, only heroes. And they're coming to gank us.
снаружи, деньги фиксируют шайбой и да.
Команда пенец класс.
Позиции на монтаже. При установке шипованных колес на танке
I think we should probably initiate now.
Buzzes is trying to.
I'm trying as well. But...
Надеемся, информация была полезной. Подписывайтесь на канал, чтобы смотреть новое видео первым.
Jakiro gets him, nice. Oh no. Nice. Slims ultimate.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Nice. Visu laiku man ir pila. Davai nonesam to līnu. Līnu kaut tur zem tower safe.
Your middle tower is under attack.
100 punktu tur
Yeah,
ir.
probably there.
Oh no. Jeez, we're way out. Oh!
The square root of the Iron Zone.
Good job. No skill for you.
Hell yeah,
Uh-huh.
the top tower got boned.
I wasn't actually thinking we'd get this far.
But
Really?
because we have mana all the time. I will
Yes.
give mana boots in a second. Yeah. We have mana all the time, it's ridiculous.
Sorry for the missing tops. They were accidental.
Dire structures are fortified.
Wonder if my whirling axes will affect the tower as
No,
well.
no, 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 no.
Well, they do, look.
No.
Yeah, it does. Look, it definitely does.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Definitely didn't do anything. Sorry.
Excuse me.
We should probably leave this lane and push middle
Whoa.
and defend bottom. No one has DPs. GG.
TP boots, TP boots,
Under
huh?
attack. Radiant structures
TP
are
boots is
fortified.
I think we can just push middle because he's not
What?
there anymore.
It's fine.
Я mēģinu dabūt
Under
naudu.
attack.
Jā, viņš paņēma. Un pagaidīšu nākumu. Two regions.
Be one with the leaves. I'll not be rushed.
How's the weather there? Yeah? Yeah, it's raining here. Yeah, rubbish, isn't it? Oh well.
I will purchase Black King Bar.
Yep. Your main item? Pretty much.
But it doesn't really make sense. Like, I don't know if why.
It protects you against Lena's stun, not against her ultimate with Aghanims though. It helps you a lot. Let's leave it at that.
I know, but the thing is, what's strange is this guide I'm following. It's only got agility and the shield. Other than that, it doesn't have any agility items. It's just apart from butterfly late game. Fly bases menus.
Nice! Big smoke and Oh, no, nu, viņš ieiet. Es neiešu tur iekšā, es tikai saku izžakilu. Tur nav jēga. Ej, tukš tu! Jā.
Viņš jau pēc tur uz vienu izmanto jūtu.
Ah, tas ūks. Tikai tādēļ es arī nomiru. Jā, tas bija gandrīz jau sakrājis aganinu.
Dire structures are fortified. Those sods
Oh, no,
got
Matthew.
their bone tower. Rock on
I was prepared to die for this.
You were... Yeah. The sacrificial lamb.
Your tower is under attack.
Technically, I'm not
Please,
actually
I'm
supposed to be
terrified
there.
beyond
I'm
the
supposed to be
capacity for
carry.
rational
Yeah.
Carry the team.
I'm just saying you
Excuse
were
me,
there.
sir, but it's your top tower.
I
It
wasn't
says being
there in
destroyed.
team fight.
No, I wasn't talking about that, but okay. That's also true. Es nezinu, ko negad. Okay. Man liekas, ka vēl nav. Nice. Kā te es eju vārdot?
Jā, tas tos vārdars man smuki paņem tikai vienu
Your top
stānu
tower is
mūsu
under
pasu.
attack. Hey, forget about it.
Es nepaspēju, es paspēju arī dīnīzāt un uzbrukt viņam, bet es nepaspēju pat nostot, jo viņš nobušo. Jo viņam ir tā pasīva.
Jep. Man liekas, ka sniperim ir Shadowblades. Nevar palūrēt, ja tu redzēji. O, es uz slardas ir.
In good time.
Nezinu, bet Linnai tas ir vīns, kas paceļ augšā.
Ā, Jūls septers. Vai? Kur viņiem blinks ir? Nav, bet viņiem ir amulets. Skaidrs. Very soon we will see all their jungle.
Oh, go help!
Oh, no. Ej.
What? They're still so rubbish. I just got Roshan just. Oh my gosh.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Matthew, how do you die?
Well,
Viņš
if
bija
it
iekšā solo tur.
asked me to do a Roshan using
Yeah.
some with him.
And he died.
I do only have the Helm of Dominator regen. Still,
Regeneration. Ko viņš dara?
I don't think Shaw's really supposed to be a Roshan.
No, you can easily take Roshan. All in...
Oh,
It's doable, it's doable.
sorry.
It's
Your
okay.
bottom tower is under
You're
attack.
doing
Why is
fine.
this so bloody
Been a
difficult?
failure.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Sniper zina, ka mēs
Your
tas esam.
bottom tower is under attack.
Jā, Zija iegāja savā ultimātā. Man vāja. Nice. Kā tas sans? Nē, viņi noēd man koku. Maita tā.
Ja tev apēd to koku, tad viss tas ir beidzies?
Nu jā, tad jo ultimātam vajag koku, lai viņš strādā.
Kā tev manas būtu?
Ne?
By the way, Matisse, what do you think about starting a game on Civ 5? Civilization 5?
That would be, I guess, a good idea.
You've played 141 hours already.
Yeah.
I noticed.
So,
Well,
someone has been looking at my profile.
Very well.
Is there
secret-
something you want to tell us?
No.
No.
Es nopirku Cities Skylines, starp citu.
Oh.
Jauna spēle, kurā jābūvē ir pilsēta, jauna generation bikes un kā.
You'll also be interested in that, Matisse, because I know you like SimCity 4. You like to this.
Yes.
Well, as do I. I'm
Tev
actually,
tiešām tā spēle jāapstāsta. Es nebūtu pirkts pre-orderā, plus es negribēju spēli.
Preorderā vēl pēc tam? Wow.
Jā, viņi 10. martā iznāk.
Jopci.
What sort of prize is this?
I'm actually in the middle of a project called the Grand Arc, where
Nekārtojam, jo mēs neesam visi. Lai gan pagaid. Nu jā, uzlikajām man šito.
Yep.
I could probably just go in. couldn't I?
Oh, you have no mana, Matthew! God damn it.
I believe I will.
Sorry.
That's a waste of the BKB. Damn it.
Or maybe now
Once upon a
there will
time,
be
there
fight
was a
and
game
we
of
will
Dota
have no
2.
BKB.
Nothing
Yeah.
at all.
On to the next group.
Oh, what? See, Matthew. This is why you needed that thing.
I always thought it was Troll, had that sort of ability to do that.
Okay, Sniper have Shadow Blade.
Jā, bet paskatās, kā mēs paņemam teamfight tikko.
Yup.
Redz, kur ir snipers, esam towerā.
Oh my god. Stop.
Nē, es nepamanīju tevi. Ko tu izdzīvoji?
Man bija dagons, es būtu nomircis, būtu sev tā vainojis.
Jā.
Make sure do you have ultimate? Please use it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you
Our
kindly.
structures are fortified.
Nice! It's nice!
What was that?
Oh, nice!
Enemy's middle tower
I
is
just thought the
Also,
thing of
row
like
of archers.
but
Matthew! God damn it.
Sometimes happen.
Yeah, for Matthew twice in a game, apparently.
I have Dagon level 5.
Nice. Oh.
Oh, we didn't take him. Oh!
What is what's your
They are
God
playing very
damn
well.
it.
Nice, nice. Good eyes. Tas pat... Varbūt viņam nebūs akmeņi. Ir akalais.
Nē,
O,
trāpīt.
kas kājas?
Oh, sniper ultimāts. Yep. It happened because
This
we weren't
one.
5.
Jep. Wow, tu tos vārdus neesi par ciešu salicis. Lai gan nē, viens ir uz kalna, viens lejā.
No.
Uh-oh, they know
They're
we're going.
coming.
Oh, but you will take, you will
Yeah,
take. Just take immediately.
Get out.
Radiant has to go in.
Yeah, bad.
Air Chucker don't want to go out. Maybe they will think that you were alone.
Yeah,
Nice.
But yeah,
And he's away. Matthew, don't farm. Go
yeah,
away.
go back.
Get back. Get back. Oh.
tik daudz jau video palūrējis par to City Skylines.
It's about time.
Oh, God.
Tev uzliek ultimātu?
Nē. Gribēju likt. Ja nebūtu tavs vārds, tad... Oh, we need dust, so I can.
Nice.
We can. Uz level 5 digging.
Cik tas ir 800 magic damage? Dabūn shotgun, ethereal blade un vispār GG.
GG's obligational.
Please no one look at the item that I bought, please.
Matthew!
Šie te SRL blades un shotguns, tas taču viens uz pats.
Nu jā?
Čia domāju, kaut kas jauns ir. Bet tas City Skylines, tas tik smuks ir. Tik smuks spēlē.
Now see here.
I deal 200 damage. Wow.
Interesting, why?
I'm healing Matthew. Just...
On to the next grove.
Matthew!
What? Troll, get back.
Come back to Netflix.
Not that far, okay. Awkward.
Oh, they see me.
Matthew?
Es vai tad spīju par
Is there
to?
something that
Is it?
you...
Matthew. I'm gonna heal you. Wait, don't go anywhere.
Es viņu sakīlos.
Es ar viņu sakīlosi.
Sākam, tev neiedā man. Tev nav kritis.
Man nevajag, man nevajag.
Bottom tower is
Man
under
pašam
attack.
tūlīt mana būs. Oh no. Jakira. Oh, tas ir easy kills. Ko tad autoattack neizmantoja?
Man pareizi, man taču bija ult.
Jā. Iztērēja man vienkārši.
Your
Tas
bottom
ir
tower is under
bišķi.
attack.
Jā.
Dire structures are fortified.
Un Degons un uz cooldown.
Nav. Vairs jau nav.
Vairāk nav? Cik tur
Cik
cooldown?
tur ir? 15 vēl.
Wow. Matthew.
Matthew!
Sorry.
Šodien, tur jau saknes jāuzliek. Oh, Matthew!
Oh. Viņš būs atpakaļ.
Oh. Oh my god. That was fast.
Oh. What the hell? Yeah, Matthew, you need to...
How they see me?
Viņiem vārdu tātad.
Nē, nu viņiem tā ir games.
Viņiem nav games. Nav viņiem games. Tā viņiem ir vārdi vienkārši tur.
Earth Spiritam ir Heaven's Help.
Jā. Tas par trolli. Matthew, next time you go into teamfight, use BKB, please.
I am very, very extremely sorry about that. I'm such a disaster.
No, vajag nopirkt dastus.
Jā. Oh no, Jakiro is dead. Yeah. This is bad.
Earth Spirits nav slikts.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Don't use Spotify.
Yeah.
They have no
Radiant
creeps.
structures
There.
are
And
fortified.
someone used good. Bro, be careful. Es netīšām izmantoju manu būtu bāzē. Nice. Gandrīz. Elders.
I speak without voice.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, he's fine. BKBs everywhere! Nu es pat nevaru palaist ultimātu, nu tur stunlocks ir pilnīgākais. Tā, kretinē. Oh, that ultimate.
Bearcheckers ultimate. Viņu sāk?
Tas bija mēsls, ko viņš ir?
Paneko.
Jā. Vismaz teammates.
Pilnīgi paneko.
Jā.
Your top tower is under attack.
Jā, paņemsim.
Jā, bet līnijām to mums atpū. Kas tur tikko ieņērdzās kā mazs skutis?
Zini to ķipa Plague Inc. Evolve? Kas man ir jau?
Nē.
Tur ķipa pa visu pasauli, kas tas var būt, ka visu pasauli ienovā. Es skatījos screenshot, ko šēroši visi ķīnieši. Var redzēt, kur grib iznīcināt pasauli. What the fuck?
Andri, tu spēlē vārds Sanderi?
Es skatījos uz kompletu, spēlēju uzrakstījā.
Es varētu būt interesanti kapāt visiem trim.
Es jau viņu kapāju kādreiz.
Nē, es atceros, mēs krāptu neņēmu. Esam... Tā, bet man
arī no sākuma nepatīk, pēc tam es kaut kāds stundas 3 nospēlēju un man iepatikās, sapratu, kas tur jādara un tā.
Jo man patīk.
Tas Eds, tas man brālēns arī kapā viņu. Brālēns arī viņu kapā. No Edi. Kas grib pastīties, vai man ies tagad? Nu, kādreiz man vismaz gāja, bet tad viņiem bija kaut kāda baigi update un tad viņi man lagoja. Tad tie pārņas kaut kāds Calls XP.
Nā, Džak ir atkal pa tāli. Oh, viņam blinks ir.
Tu vienkārši kā pielikt tankus man tā lagot. Kaskaģori!
Jā, es tev uzliku heal, bet tas neko nedēvu.
Nu, jā.
Ko spēlē, Kreš?
Medviks tie.
Trends.
Un tu būdz?
Vinks.
Viņiem ir sniperis, slardars un...
Tas slēptars pašlaik baigas stūds, ja mēs viņu apvācam, tad mēs paņemam teampad. Sniperis no malas tos ar sitienu deganu. Paņem. Man ir asti arī.
Man metīs?
Trolls.
Trauļi.
Īpaši labi.
Kaskaģori!
Come on, nu! Viņš ar 4 sitieniem man vienkārši nosaka. Man nebeidzās stuns. Man nebeidzās viņa stuns vienkārši.
Jā, jo viņš uztaisīja otro un tad viņš jau uztaisīja pasīvo. Tad tas ir jau dubults stuns.
Viņš jau nestakojas, ne vienkārši. Cik viņa ilgs tas stuns ir, nes? Tas sliders ir... Viņam nav nekāda ferma, kas viņam ir tikai BKB un
ultimāts, kas sit.
Jā, tikai vienīgi. Wow, jūs pat nodefendējāt to tower, nice. Earthshake, jā, viņam nav ultimāts. Nice.
Oh, Dievs.
Instabaši. Tevi karapus neaizmirst.
Jā, to es zinu.
Čis. Nice. Tāpēc, ka tur sniperis nebija. Tas bija ļoti svarīgi. Es laikam nekad nesavākšu radiāns. Man secret relics jau, nezinu, 3-5 minūtē maybe, es nevaru sakarāt 1300.
Oi, tas nebija pinks. Labi, ka mums tie tavu vārdi. Tādā ziņā, turpmāk, kad spēlēšu ar Timbers savu vairāk inicināšu kokus, ja spēlēšu pret tēmu. Jo, nē, es tiešām nezinu, es domāju, tie parasti vārdi, nevis kokos viņi ir iesprausti.
What the hell? Čakiro man te grib dāvināt seitu, like. Matthew.
Tas būtu episki. Neredzamība, ko neredz tauvers.
Matthew, get back.
Slārdars vēl nav, mēs varam paņemt sev pēc.
Oh my goodness.
Viņi redz mani, viņiem ir...
Games? Nav viņiem games.
Su nav.
Ah, yeah. Nice.
Redzi, Slārdars atkal. Viņam taču ir BKB, un mans tas nenostrādāja.
Jā.
Nu, es speciāli vēl viņam pagāju pretī. Nu,
Ir mans stans izpildīts ļoti. Kā nekā 4 sekundes viņš nevar uzbrukt. Tas ir OP. 4,5 vēl labāk. Oi, tas viņam daudz maksāja. Tā atpirkšanās viņam ļoti dārgi maksāja.
Jā, bet viņš sit ar ultimātu pietiekami labi. Vienīgais, jā, viņš bez ultimātu viņš nesit nekā.
Jā.
Bet ar ultimātu viņam pietiek damage. Viņam tā jau spīlā, viņš atpirkās viņiem. Es neesmu gana, man liekas, ka mēs nepušot jau.
Tower is under attack.
Jā, mēs save defend on top.
Dire structures locked.
Matthew, get back, Matthew, fast. Remember, he has stun
Yeah.
and bashes.
They have a lot of stuns.
And you had ulted already. And he can see you now. Don't go from behind. Remember, his ultimate is like a ward. He's making you like ward.
Sorry.
Uzmanies. Mums ir ward, mēs redzam pilnīgi visu, ko viņi dara.
Jā.
Viņi tikko izdrās divus mūsu vajus.
Tā, sapratu.
Apsveicu ar Radiānu.
The enemy's bottom tower
Ar ko?
has fallen. Not
Ar Radiānu.
Paldies. Sveicot sakrā. Man viena stulba ideja. Es nopirkšu Maskopu mannes un tad vienkārši palaidīšu ultu un mačīšu nost to Slārdaru.
Jā, nu.
Visi uzlec virsū.
Viņiem ir vārdi vidū.
Un viņiem ir cūciņas taisītājs. Ja tu biji cūciņa.
Jā. Ko es te par tiem vārdiem? Nav viens, viņiem vārdi tikai midlēnā, bet citas lanes jau.
Mēs nepušojam.
Mums vajag pušot citas lanes. We need to push top now, because in mid they have wards, and after that we can push. Oh my god.
Bet man jau tur ir ilūzijas ar radiāns, vecīt. Es jau izdaru damage vienalga. Viņš izmanto! Es domāju, ka tas esmu es! Idiots! Ak, Dievs!
Viņam normāls.
your bottom
Who's
tower
wrong?
is under attack.
Radiāns izdara lielāku damage nekā
Structures are
autotēs.
fortified.
Ir ar ilūzijām, kur? Ev, Mantava, Strenta. OP.
Bet Radiāns vēl nesu.
Nē, man ir, ja man ir ilūzijas, tad uz visiem ir radiāns.
Bet viņi summējas, tas būtu OP.
Jā, protams, ka summēs, tāpēc Spektra ar radiāns ir OP.
Bet Spektras ilūzijas jau pazūd, ka viņi uz viņus teleportēja Steam fightā tikai.
Ja
Visi.
pazūd... Kuras no ilūzijām pazūd jautājums?
Ultimā.
Ultimāta
Tad, kad ar ultu tu aizēj pie kāda,
Nu jā,
tad pazūd.
tikai tad. Un ja tu runa, ka tā kā viņi izmanto manta stilu, tad visām tām ilūzijām ir radiāns. Un arī visām ultimāta ilūzijām ir radiāns.
Tā, grib to naudiņu?
Nē, ņem. Man ir radiāns, vecīt, es varu.
Tad tas ir Midbusters epizode iznākus.
Ej, bottoms. Ejam. Mēs vienīgai neesam tur.
Stans. Un tas nav mīts?
Jā. Matthew, why did you use Shadow Blade? What the hell? Snipers?
Oh, just the extra attack damage, that's all.
Viņiem arī tur ir vārdi, wow. Es jau tev iedevu tos, jā.
Nu, es uzliku trešo. Ak, Dievs.
That's a twofer.
Ak, Dievs.
Kas snipers no malas? Viņiem visur ir vārdi.
Jā, es esmu sūcīgi.
Līnai arī tagad ir vārds.
Vienkārši stunlocks visu spēli. Tik interesanti. Ieroja beigts. Es tur neko nevar izdarīt. Kur ir snipers?
Viņš šoreiz nepaspēja.
Zināju, ka krīt teleportējas ar Boots of Travels, tad viņi vairs nesit tie krīpi viņi.
Jā, kas?
Ķipa, ja tu teleportējies uz kādu krīpu, kur nav neviena čalīša citu no pretiniekiem. Tie krīpi, kas viņus sit, viņi vairs, beidz viņus izcīt pārējos, kas tur ir apkārt.
Es redzēju pēc startera, ja viņi tad tikuši.
Aizēj.
Bet viņš ir beidzot 7 sekundes un mierīgi. Tas snipers vienkārši. Viņam pat ir BKB, kas priekš manis.
Jā. Nu jā, varbūt viņš vienkārši tevi sīta, kad tev bija karapus, bet vienkārši viņam bija BKB aktīvs.
Iespējams.
Ar šajā karam nav refreshers vēl. Jā, viņš bija tik tuvu refresheram. Un tur izgāja.
Oh, look at this!
Kur ir slardars viņiem, ev? Oh my goodness! Matthew!
I revenge?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't remember the words. I have
Revenge!
I killed Sniper. I just saved. We saved the game, but I was like, I completely jammed for my Shadow Blades. I can't believe that. Yeah, I've redeemed myself. Sorry. I think of the word. Sometimes it just doesn't come out. And sorry. Okay. Roshan.
Matthew, did you use Shadow Blade there? Oh yeah. Okay. I was just worried. Because I heard Shadow Blade. Matthew, why BKB?
Trash.
Ko?
Oh, sorry, I don't know why. I want to see if the KBB could block the stuns, but...
You need to finish the Daedalus, Matthew. Really?
Yeah.
You have no space, Matthew. Are you gonna take it? You will have to throw the Pullman shield.
No, easy
No?
good. Yeah.
I wanted you to have it. Whatever.
I know, but
Next time.
Matthew had
I've already had it before.
Viņš arī izmes Pullman shield. Like, why
So you have money, what are you buying?
Daedalus.
Deadliest.
Good choice.
Then maybe a Satanic after that.
Yep.
Because my the lifesteal is amazing for Troll Warlord, it really is. Sniper is not jungling. Why is it not
Nevar
jungling?
sagatavoties pirms pie vāra, pie kartklāt. Es nevaru viņus iznīcināt pirms laikā. Es varu uzlikt Ezreal Blade, jo viņam ir BKB.
Nē, manuprāt.
Sorry, I was just worried.
Matthew, that ultimate was so good. I just took out the creep wave so fast.
Oh, I thought that was being sarcastic.
Oh, look, go. Oh, there's backup BKB. He used one BKB, that's good.
Sniper's just gonna come out of nowhere and just...
Well, I am red pushing solo lane with Aegis, so you can easily push probably. They're probably gonna come for me. If not, they are gonna lose the tower. No, barracks.
Barracks.
I think I win.
Yeah.
Win. No.
What am I doing?
I told him.
Vai tu ejam. Ja es nomiru, viss kārtībā.
Man nav spēju, kur lietu. Ir, mēs divi paņēmām.
Jā. Easy. Matthew, do you have ultimate? Matthew? No, you're dead.
I am dead.
Gaia structures are fortified.
Kevin nākais pie mums, mēs nevaram kaut.
Domā?
Man nav dāsti.
Jā. Man ir 4,4000 veci. Es jau nopirkt vēl vienu radiantu. Bet divas radiantas stakojas vai ne?
Nu, ja jau ilūzijās stakot.
Nē. Andri. Jāpaprasa gudrākai personai.
Jā.
I believe I will.
Oh no.
Es gribēju pirkt BKB, bet es laikam ņemšu Blade Mail. Pret sniperi.
Nē, bija.
Bet man ir iebūvētais Blade Mail, saprot?
Ne uz Nīksa pērk to itēnu. Tas normāli, uz viņu pērk. Necrobook, maybe. Jo tad tas Necrobooks arī dos vision pār invis varoņiem.
To, kas uzbruks divas reizes.
Jā. Tas būtu palīgs uz pušošanu arī. Vai arī es varu nopirkt pat taisno gan arī šivas.
Tu runā par ko tu varētu nopirkt?
Jā. Necro vai šivas.
Ai, kas notiek, ja mēs abi nopērkam Necro?
Tā mums ir divreiz vairāk viņi. Jo katram ir.
Tas varētu būt OP.
Ja kāds viņiem tik stulbs vai uzbrukt viņiem, tad jā.
Bet viņi jau arī stipri sit.
Jā.
Nu, pirmajā līmenī varbūt ne, bet...
Es to nopirku otrā līmeņa grupu, pat taisno. Vai arī es varu gandrīz nopirkt šivas. Šivas būtu ļoti labs team uz komandu. Tak, slow. Es laikam paņemšu šivas. Čakiro.
Es gāju pēc blinka, bet es jau saku, no blinka nav jēgas.
Ko tad ņems? Vai ko tu jau esi paņēmis?
Ko es domāju? Blinkiem nav jēgas, jo nav... Nav.
Ir, ja tev būs Linkens, tad tas idiots nevaras uzlikt tev savu ultimātu, Slardars. Vai arī tu nobloķēsi Līnas ultimātu. Tu var vairākas lietas nobloķēt. Līnas ultimātu tu nobloķē un viņi tev neizdarīs damage ļoti lielu. Slardaru tu var nobloķēt viņa ultimātu, ka viņš tev var nenositīs tik ātri. Tu daudz ko var nobloķēt ar Linkens.
Es paralēli.
21 urnas charge. Man liekas, Džakiro nenāks atpakaļ. Paigi ilgi viņš kaut.
Ja ne, tas ir GG.
Atpakaļ. Tā Paldies, Dievam.
I thank you. In good time.
Jā, viņam ir MKB tam sniperim. Es domāju, viņš pirks krītus, ne, viņš MKB
Are
nopietni.
not so good with motion, you know. Into forest shade. On to the next grove.
Man liekas, ka es sniperi mūsu metu.
I suppose.
Es reāli beidzu, viņš var palikt visā ieiet.
Let me
Yeah,
just set my
man,
alarm
yeah.
here. Wake me up when people start playing.
Tā man ir
Go
dāsta,
time.
bet...
Nē, man vajag arī kurīt, tu viņš vienkārši pie bāzes tieši. Man ir itē. Paņem kurīt tagad.
Tad uzmet eterā, viņš jau tikai auto takot nevar. Vispārējo viņš var darīt.
Viņš ar spējas arī pamanīt.
Jā, viņš visu var. Izņemot operētāju.
Jā. Tāpat kā tu, ja tu sev viņu uzliec.
Viņš jātos. Es Džakiroju kādi iesācis, es esmu čieti iesāk viens. Tādā veidā viņš var izlunāt kādu no bāzes un mēs tam atlāk. Paņem kurīt vienkārši.
Man jau ir itē. Rīģins, kuram vajag? Nevienam. Džakiro kalie gāja iekšā nedaudz. O, te pēkšņi random Kentos atnāk.
No
Do you
tev
think I
šādi jā.
should get flip mail as well?
Nē.
No.
Blade mail? No, Matthew, you need damage items.
Oh, okay, I'll not get the satanic.
Satanic is good.
It's just... Sorry.
That's a good item for you, Matthew.
It's just
Oh, they are out of space, they're out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I believe I will. Yes.
It's normal.
Kā tas akīlojies šitais sūcīja?
Where's Snapes?
Invis.
I got that sniper.
Oh, I don't care that I died. That was... Oh no.
As long as
Gosh.
snipers, we'll probably win.
Nice. That's a kill as well. Visi baibakojas. No viņiem.
Oh, viņi man neredzēja no ultā.
Jā. Laika, viņiem tev netrāpīja ultu? Kam tu viņu trāpīja? Ah, man jau likās. Cūcīja fights. Nice. Nīks. Nešaun neko pa viņu.
Jā, es viņu.
Otro skill. Karapus. Nice. Yeah. Vai baraks. Fix.
My goodness gracious!
That was
Twenty-
good.
It's 21 assists, Fizzies. Really incredible stuff. Really incredible stuff. I performed the worst. I feel like I performed the worst.
Yeah, you can turn.
You're doing fine, Matthew.
No, Matthew, you are doing more than fine.
I'm doing absolutely awfully.
Džakiro is pushing very nice.
Es pušošu topu.
And I again kill sniper.
Nice.
Again. 19.5 seconds.
Nice.
It's
Why is Sniper so easy to kill?
Because he is low HP.
Well, how come he...
Because he has really good DPS. It's incredible.
oh my god. I was Okay, that was bad. Because I was thinking that.
God damn it.
Oh my god, that Jakiro. Second. Oh my god. He's run
Enemy's
away.
middle barracks has fallen.
Oh my god. That was nice. What a play.
Nice.
Dire structures are fortified.
Jeez.
Oh.
Okay, mid barracks are down and
Top tower is gonna be
Yeah.
down as well. Really soon. Oh, it's down already. Jeez. Didn't even see the HP.
The enemy's middle barracks has fallen. Die große Mannen
Nice. Es sāk apsties, es nāku ar savu pusminūti beigt.
Yeah.
Ja es dabūnu mītā tādu situāciju, ka viņš mani neredz,
Flipping Nora, we got this.
tad ir vienkārši
Matthew,
šok.
don't hit tower,
We
no.
now have
Kāpēc?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
The enemy's middle tower.
Crash, mēs nedrīkstam
If it was
riskēt.
me, I need a new pair of
Spēle ir
It is a bit.
gandrīz games close.
Nē, viņš nosprāga. Jāmens.
It's nice we can win this because there was. Es neriskētu un pušot.
Nice.
Game break was when I killed sniper, I think last time. Then we push everything that we can push and finish game.
Okay,
We had great
commanding.
Jakiro.
Jakiro. Commanding
Yeah,
Budzis.
Let's command Jakiro.
Let's command Budzis.
And Game Night Crash and Matthew West and for leadership.
I'm asking for friendship.